Welcome to SEO Audit Basics. In this video, we will explore a systematic approach to evaluate and improve your website's search engine optimization performance. This involves conducting a comprehensive analysis and gaining actionable insights to boost your site's visibility. Here's a quick checklist of technical SEO basics. First, check the robots.txt configuration to ensure search engines can properly crawl your site. Next, verify the XML sitemap structure, which helps search engines understand your website's organization. Then, analyze the URL structure to ensure it is clean and user-friendly. Finally, check the SSL or HTTPS implementation to ensure your website is secure. As shown in the example robots.txt, user agent all asterisks allow blog slash, allow products slash, disallow admin slash, and disallow private slash. Let's explore the key on-page SEO elements. Start with title tags. These should be unique, descriptive titles under 60 characters that include primary keywords. Next are meta descriptions. Craft compelling summaries under 160 characters that encourage clicks from search results. Lastly, header tags, that is, from H1 to H6. These are to maintain a proper heading hierarchy that includes relevant keywords throughout your content, and should look like this. Less than head greater than less than title greater than best SEO practices guide pipe example, less than slash title greater than less than meta name equals quotation mark description quotation mark content equals quotation mark learn essential SEO best practices to improve your website's visibility, and rankings quotation mark greater than less than slash head greater than less than body greater than H1 greater than SEO best practices guide less than slash H1 greater than H2 greater than on page optimization less than slash H2 greater than H3 greater than title tag guidelines less than slash H3 greater than. It's time for content analysis, examining both content quality and adherence to a content checklist. When it comes to content quality metrics, a good target is often having 1,500 plus words, a readability score of 8 out of 10, a keyword density of 2 to 3%, and content uniqueness around 85%. Here's a content checklist, starting with a clear heading structure, relevant internal linking, optimized media elements, updated and accurate information, and finally mobile-friendly formatting. Mobile optimization is crucial for modern SEO. Aim for a mobile-friendly score of 90 or higher, using tools like the Google Mobile Test. Verify that your website implements a responsive design. Touch-friendly elements should be larger than 48 pixels. Ensure readable font sizes are greater than 16 pixels. Avoid horizontal scrolling on mobile devices. And optimize images specifically for mobile to improve loading times. Site speed analysis is a crucial aspect of SEO. Here are some key metrics to watch. First, contentful paint should ideally be under 1.5 seconds. Time to interactive should be under 2.5 seconds. Speed index should aim to be under 3 seconds. Largest contentful paint should be under 2.5 seconds. To optimize site speed, compress and optimize all images using WebP format. Enable browser caching for static resources. Minify CSS, JavaScript, and HTML files. Implement lazy loading for images and videos. And consider using a content delivery network, also known as a CDN. It's important to confirm the indexability of your website to ensure it's being properly crawled and indexed by search engines. Here are some metrics to monitor. Track the number of index pages in Google Search Console. Monitor the crawl rate to ensure search engines are efficiently crawling your site. Assess the crawl depth to ensure important pages are not buried too deep. Some example robots.txt optimization can be user agent all asterisks, allow blog slash, allow products slash, disallow admin slash, and sitemap, example.com/sitemap.xml. And here's an indexing status check. Confirm that no index, follow meta tags are properly implemented. Ensure your XML sitemap is up to date and submitted to search engines. Review canonical tags and ensure no orphan pages are detected and confirm robots. TXT is properly configured. Backlink Analysis helps you understand the quality and quantity of links pointing to your site. Key metrics include total backlinks, domain authority, and referring domains. Focus on acquiring backlinks from high-authority domains to improve your site's ranking potential. Regarding link types, follow links should constitute the majority of your backlink profile. Domain authority distribution should ideally show a significant portion of backlinks coming from domains with a DA of 21 or higher. User experience is now a significant ranking factor. Focus on core web vitals like largest contentful paint, aiming for under 2.5 seconds. First input delay, aiming for less than 100 milliseconds, and cumulative layout shift, aiming for less than 0.1. Also, monitor user engagement metrics such as average time on page, pages per session, bounce rate, and the percentage of mobile users. Consider some actions such as improving mobile navigation structure, optimizing image loading sequence, and implementing breadcrumb navigation. In summary, let's outline some priority action items. First, optimize core web vitals by improving LCP and CLS scores through image optimization and layout stability improvements. Next, enhance mobile responsiveness by addressing mobile navigation issues and optimizing for touch interactions. Develop a comprehensive content plan focusing on key topics and keywords. Address critical technical issues in core web vitals in weeks 1 to 2. Enhance existing content and create new SEO-focused pages in weeks 3 to 4. Then, execute strategic link building campaign from week 5 to 8. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.